I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am. I haven't had a working oven in like 3 years. So now I finally have one, and I'm about to jump on the sourdough making chain. So this right here is basically like the beginner's box of my dreams. I have never made a sourdough before. I've seen so many different videos. I know it is a process. I know we need patience. We need lots of love to put in here, and I'm excited to try it out. But so for someone who's never done it before, having like this whole complete kit, I think is fantastic. And I love the fact that it all comes in this one box and it makes it completely giftable. So this one here was sent for my review, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through. So at first I started taking things out and I got like really stressed because I'm like, I don't even know what this stuff is. But check this out. Directions, so simple, so clear. I love that they have the pictures right here and then they take you step by step. This is definitely something that I am going to need. But just very quickly, so we've got the silicone bread sling. We've got the bread lame. It even comes with extra blades. We have the oval proofing basket. We have the silicone spatula scraper. We do have the linen cloth liners. We have these up here. We've got the dough hook as well. We have the starter jar. I can't believe it comes with a starter jar. We even have the scraper as well. And obviously, so this one here is the 9-inch oval dish. And then we have the 10-inch round one as well. So like the fact that it even comes with the bowls. So these are the bowls that you're going to, do they call these proofing? Yes, round proofing baskets. I think that is so awesome. And the fact that you even have like the covers on top of here. They have thought of everything other than literally the ingredients that I actually need. But I think that is really cool. I like that the jar here is labeled right there. We've got our sticker there so that we can see it when it is growing. I thought for sure I was going to have to go out and get a jar, but it is all here. So if you are anything like me and you are ready to start your sourdough journey, but you have no idea where to begin, highly recommend getting this box.